I am not the only one that will hear this gist. Landlord's water tank crashed a tenant's newly bought LEXUS. LEXUS. Welcome to Insurance Capsule. My name is Shea. So, I saw this argument on X. Apparently, this tenant parked his newly bought LEXUS in the compound. But hold up, this car was not on the road. It did not crash into anything. This car was parked right inside the compound. Now, this guy is pouring all his frustration on the landlord, saying the landlord is the owner of the property that damaged the car, so he must pay for it. And the landlord said, no, the rain and storm caused the tank to fall, so it is nature's fault, according to the landlord. The worst part of this is the fact that the car owner has not finished paying for this car, and the seller is already asking, where is my balance? Now, let us look at this situation the way insurance would look at things. First, the car. If that car is on third-party insurance, let's be honest with ourselves, nothing is coming out of it. Because third-party insurance only pays when you damage someone else's property. But here, in this situation, nobody drove into anybody. But if that same car had comprehensive insurance, then the question will not be who caused it. The conversation will rather be, your car is damaged, right? Then your insurance company will step in and handle it according to the policy. Now, let us move to the second part. The building, that tank stand, did not just fall for no reason. Something failed in that house. This is where many Nigerians are missing something important. We insure our cars, but we don't insure our homes. There are two types of property insurance you should know, and we have spoken about this in our previous episodes, but I'll still mention a little of it here. House owner insurance. This covers the building itself. Householder insurance. This covers what is inside the house. Now, in this situation, it is the house owner insurance that matters, because we are talking about structure. Now imagine the landlord had that in place. This situation would not turn into argument. Insurance would step in and start handling the structural damage and possibly the liability involved, which is the LEXUS. Now, let us look at who is actually wrong. This is where people start arguing, and truthfully, it is not always straightforward. If the structure was weak or poorly maintained, then yes, the landlord may be responsible. But if it was purely due to heavy rain and strong wind, then it can be classified as an unpleasant situation, or the village people, as some may call it. And once that enters, responsibility becomes very tricky. But here is the key thing. Insurance does not wait for argument to finish before acting. Insurance steps in first, then figures things out. The real lesson is, if the car has comprehensive insurance and the building has house owner insurance, one rainfall will not turn into a whole financial banter. So before you say, I'm managing, I don't think I need all these things, ask yourself one question. If my village people shines their eyes on me today, am I ready? This is Insurance Capsule. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and most importantly, turn on your notification so you'll be the first to be notified when you release a new capsule. See you on the next episode.